comes out, you heard it here first, Bitcoin is going to zero. Zero. When it comes out, zero.
Hello guys, welcome again. So let's talk about Bitcoin quickly. As you can see here, Bitcoin is in sideways, something actually I was expecting. And as you can see here in one-day chart, we got a sideways sell signal, right? So sideways sell signal, so the expectation was like something like this, right? Bitcoin will be just in sideways here, doing something like this. Now, what is going wrong? What is going on right now? Like, what is doing actually right now? We were looking for, in my case, I was looking for 4-hour chart. I opened a long position here around here. Around $95,000, around there, 95,300, something like that. And well, I'm still in long position, looking for actually this resistance around $98,000, 99, around there, something we were talking about before. So as you can see here, Bitcoin actually is doing what we were expecting in short term, right? It's like this. Now, let's talk about something. I am expecting honestly a new all-time high. I have to be honest with you. This is looking actually good. As you can see here, Bitcoin is respecting actually this move. The correction we got here for our chart, it was actually just an opportunity, right, to buy. And as you can see here, I am looking for a new all-time high here, maybe a little bit above 100K, something like that. That is something I'm expecting right now, and we will see in some point a beautiful better variance here, as you can see here. And here, of course, I will be happy to open shorts maybe around here, maybe not now, of course. We have to wait a little bit more, but overall Bitcoin actually is doing very good. Now let's talk about something. If after 5 years is the first time today, yesterday I opened a short position for an altcoin, and what I did here is I want to show you here quickly is XRP. XRP here, as you can see here, well, is testing the highs of 2018. Yeah, and let me show you here. It's testing the highs of 2018. And I know you are very bullish, right? You are very bullish to the moon, right? XRP is obvious. It's like always the same movie, right? People are bullish, they are buying here, right? And they will get just wrecked here, of course. Now, let me tell you something. There are good things about XRP. First of all, here, let's talk about the positive things. Here, we got a volatility contraction for almost 2 years, as you can see here, very, very low. So this was just accumulation here. I am not a big fan of XRP, but as you can see here, is actually pumping. Now, is testing this area? Yes, it's bullish. Technically speaking, in monthly chart, is actually this area is the area to start taking profits. Of course, I am a financial advisor. Yes, I'm telling you what to do, but that is actually something just to consider, right? So here, no thank you. Here as investor, right? If you bought here, well, this is the time to start looking for maybe taking some profits, right? Well, it's up to you. Now, let's talk about something here. Let me show you here the monthly here. As you can see here, we have this momentum here to the downside. I mean, it's quite good actually right now. But yeah, XRP has actually the opportunity to actually break $2. Remember what I said to you. If XRP breaks $2 and close about there, you will see new all-time high. And actually, I'm not kidding. Like if you see closing, maybe this week, let's talk about this. Maybe this week, above $2 is actually the maximum, the key level. If you see XRP breaking, closing above $2, well, man, the sky is the limit. You will see maybe around, I don't know, like something like this, massive move, but here, okay? So get ready. Now, in my case, right, I am a trader, right? I am a trader, so that's why I follow rules, right? So if I know here is resistance, of course, as a trader, for me, I will just take some profits or maybe consider opening shorts, maybe in the short term. Let me show you here. In weekly chart, yeah, because so many people asked me about XRP, so now they are very excited about this coin. So let me show you here. Volume is very good, momentum is very good. I mean, there is nothing wrong with XRP, yeah. So, but that doesn't mean like it's just gonna keep pumping forever, right? We need healthy pullbacks. You wanna see healthy move, healthy bull market for XRP. You want to see some pullbacks, right? and just follow the trend, right? Pullback, something like this, and follow the trend, right? So this pullback is something I am looking for right now. So as you can see here right now, the bad news is not very bad, but is today is Tuesday, so we have three days, I think. As you can see here, this candle is a shooting star in the top, right? So of course it's not, we don't have confirmation, so we have to wait for this, okay? But if you see this candle here, the candle closing like this one this weekend, well, it's gonna be a very good hint. Potentially, we will see a very nice correction, right? So that's why in the long term, XRP is looking very good. $2 is the key point. Yeah, is $2 actually is the key level. If for some reason, if for some reason this week or this month, XRP close below here, you will see another crash, something like this. Something like this, something like this. So that's why if you're bullish here right now, you want to see XRP closing this week above $2. $2, and actually it's going to be very good because from there I'm expecting continuation. Now let's talk about the 1-day chart. So 1-day chart, that you can see here, this is the pullback I am looking for. As you can see, it's very far. It is the first time for you in this live stream, and I have to tell you something. I use the ME55 as a moving as support, right? Dynamic support. But as you can see here, we have volume profiles, right? We'll have volume. So this one, of course, this is resistance, right? This area is the last step, the last actually resistance for XRP. But here, actually here, $2 is the key support. We could see maybe a test to $2 is totally fine, but we want to see a bounce. We want to see continuation. That is something we want to see, okay? And if something really, really bad happened, we have a very strong support around 1.45. For me, it's gonna be a major buy opportunity if we see this pullback around here. 1.45, it should be a very nice entry if we see this pullback, because as you can see here, the volume profile is actually huge here. So its accumulation here was actually very good. It's a very good level. But as you can see here, so $2 is the key level. If we see $2 is actually, as long as XRP is about $2, everything is fine. Now, that is actually the bullish thing. Now let's talk about the bad things. We have here a bearish divergence, as you can see here. If you're not familiar with what is a bullish divergence or bearish divergence, it's very simple. Let me show you here. When the price is moving like this, right? But the volume or the momentum indicator you are using is actually dropping. So as you can see here, this is your point, this is your point, this is your price, and here the momentum of your indicator actually is doing the opposite. So this is a bearish divergence, right? So this is telling you the momentum or the volume, whatever you are watching, is losing steam, right? So that's why there's a very high chance you will see a correction, okay? So the same thing when the price is actually dropping, but the momentum, your indicator is actually making new highs. So this is telling you like the momentum is actually, there is a very good chance to see a reversal. So right now, what we have for XRP, we have actually this. We have a better divergence from it in 1-day chart in momentum. So from this high, and this high, as you can see here, we have a sell signal here, and from this high, from this high and this high, actually we have this better divergence. So as you can see here, we have this setup right now. Technically speaking, the target should be around, always is gonna be for me, right? The ME55. Of course, I think that is not gonna happen here. What we are gonna see, as long as $2 is respected, everything should be fine. So that's why $2 actually is the key here. So I don't want to see the ME55 tested for a long time. I would like to see something like this, bounce here, and continuation. That would be awesome. So in my case, what I did, I am in short. Why? Because in 4-hour chart, actually, it was a very nice entry. And let me show you here. I am trading short term, right? Short term, we have a nice entry here. 4-hour sell signal here. I opened a short position around 2.60, something like that, looking for actually $2. I am looking for $2 at this level, and I will close my position exactly around here. Yeah, I am not planning to hold this short because overall XRP is bullish, so I cannot fight the trend right now. I will open shorts, yes, but give me just one second. Sorry guys, Amazon. Sorry. Okay, so let's continue. Um, okay, okay guys, sorry, let's continue. Amazon, sorry. Okay, so what I was talking about, yeah, I was saying about XRP, as you can see here. So this is the target actually I'm looking for, around $2. And well, from here, maybe I will consider to open longs, looking for actually continuation. So now let's continue. Let's continue with actually Bitcoin because, well, I know even if the XRP and other altcoins are bullish, we have to see what is going on with Bitcoin. In one day chart that you can see, as I said before, the Bitcoin is actually doing very good. Yeah, it's actually respecting the trend. You see. So as long as Bitcoin is not making new lows, I mean, like breaking, for example, it's get rejected and breaking this previous low, everything is okay. So what I'm looking for Bitcoin is actually a better divergence, the same thing, right? You see, I want to see a new high here. I want to see a new high. Let me show you here a new high. Yep. And I will consider opening shorts around here. And the reason why I will open shorts uh, is because of this. I know you are maybe following Twitter, many YouTubers calling for about 500K, right? But actually that is not realistic. So let me show you here. We have 5 waves of this actually bull run, as you can see here, 3, 4, and 5, where if we use Fibonacci extensions, let me show you here from the bottom of wave number 2 to the top of wave number 3 to the bottom of wave number 4. Technically speaking, the top, well, right? The top could be around $99,000 and extension to 115K. So this is the area actually I am looking for shorts. And after that, of course, if we follow LOA theory, we will see A, B, C correction, right? A, B, and C. Okay, something like that. So that's why, in my case, what I'm doing right now was I follow rules. I don't follow news. I don't follow fundamentals. I don't follow nothing. Just I follow technical analysis. So that's why we have to be just careful here. I know you are bullish, for example, DOT. I bought DOT. I think it's the only altcoin actually I bought a few months ago again. Yeah, I usually don't buy altcoins, but this time actually I couldn't resist because I like DOT, the setup. I mean, the setup of DOT, this altcoin. Let me show you here. DOT USDT here. Let me show you here. I bought here DOT around a long time ago, around September. Well, September, yeah, I think around here. Why? Because this is consolidation. As you can see here, this is consolidation. Breaking 10, you will see easily actually around 25, 28. So this is the same thing for many altcoins, many altcoins. Yeah, so the only problem with altcoins right now is they are testing resistance in the macro timeframes. As you can see here, let me show you. For example, Ethereum Classic is testing resistance. Litecoin is testing resistance. Neo, as you can see here, massive wick here, but it's testing resistance as well. Yeah, DOT, same thing. For example, if we see Aave here, Aave is about actually almost hit my target around 280. It's a little bit more, 271. But as you can see here, altcoins, they are bullish, yes, but the problem here is like you have to wait for the pullback if you want to enter. If you really want to enter to the market right now, you have to wait for the pullback. So what I'm trying to say is something like this. You want to see a correction, right? And follow the trend. Follow the trend, right? The trend is your friend. For example, Cardano. Cardano is actually hit, actually very, very good, actually. I'm very proud about myself, you know. You see what I said to you, like 1.10, 1.25, something like that, and after that, potentially, this is a major resistance for Cardano. It's something as a huge task for Cardano. Cardano must break 1.85 cents and close about there, not just only break it, it must close around there, hold a little bit there, like sideways, a little bit sideways here, a little bit sideways here, and after that, yeah, continuation. If Cardano can actually break and hold this area, you will see a new all-time high, maybe around maybe $3 or $4, who knows, right? But the thing here is like step by step, right? So right now, many altcoins are testing major resistance. So that's why, as a trader, right? As a trader, for me, here is the time when I will start just looking for just now taking some profits, right? So that's why it depends. It's up to you, right? Because some people, they are just they want to buy and let it be for maybe 2 years, something like that. It's totally fine. But in my case, in this channel, we are traders, so that's why I build a system of trading where actually I take profits and I open shorts, open longs, whatever, right? So okay, now let's continue with some more altcoins. For example, I want to show you Ethereum because Ethereum was doing something very interesting here. As you can see here, it's testing resistance as well. Yeah, all of the altcoins, all of them, they are testing resistance right now. So the question is, should I buy right now or not? Well, technically speaking, right, I don't know the fundamentals you're following, right, or you're following news, but in this case, technically speaking, no. The answer is no. We have to wait for the pullback. That's all. I am not calling for a crash. I am not saying the market is gonna crash. Oh my God, Bitcoin will go to zero. No, not yet. We are almost there, but not yet. Maybe after we see a little bit more than 100K, you will see in this live stream in this channel actually. I will be happy to open shorts, and I will tell you like, hey, you know what? Finally, I am short, but not now. So the thing here is like right now, technically speaking, there is no entry. If you want to buy and hold, wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback, right? Yeah, and after that, continuation. Okay. Now, the only problem with Ethereum, for example, is, as I said before in my previous live stream, is the momentum. The momentum is not very good because the hill here is actually a little bit, it's a little bit too late. So that's why if we see new all-time high here, I mean like breaking this high, sorry, here, a little bit higher, and after that, we will see a major correction. Something like we saw for Solana. Let me show you Solana. Sol USDT here. Let me show you here. You see, we saw a new all-time high, sorry, breaking this high and this one, and after that, this one, and finally we have a beautiful better divergence. as you can see here, this is this one actually. You know what is a better range is this one. Let me show you here. The price is making a new high, as you can see here, and the momentum is making a lower high. You see? So from this point and this point and this point and this point, they are actually very strong signals. So in this case for Solana, we have actually, this is the volume, this is volume, and this is momentum. Okay, both indicators are in the same page. So that means there is a very strong chance to see Solana dropping around 145, something like that. I know maybe you're bullish, you want to see 1,000. Yes, I agree with you. Solana maybe in maybe 3-4 years is gonna be around maybe 1,000, something like that. Honestly, yes. And why? Well, this is the only thing, I don't have a technical reason in the charts, but something I can tell you is like Solana is behaving very similar as Ethereum, like maybe 2016, 2015. The volatility is very high. And I think that volatility, the only coin I saw in that way, it was in that time, because I've been doing this, I started doing this like 10 years ago. So I remember very well when Ethereum was at $8, right? Or 80 or 200. And after that, from 200 to 1,500, volatility was extremely high for Ethereum and Bitcoin in that time. Now Ethereum and Bitcoin, they are losing volatility, but Solana actually has this volatility, so that's why actually it's very good. In my case, I am waiting because I want to buy cheap altcoins, not now. Okay, so now let's continue with more altcoins, because I know you want to see more. For example, here XLM is the, XRP, and always XLM is, they are in the same like team, something like that, right? XLM was so famous in 2017. Finally, the coins like from 2017, they are doing something interesting. As you can see here, it's the resistance same as XRP. Traditionally speaking, XLM is following XRP. So if you see XRP holding $2 and breaking $2, you will see XLM actually continue. The sky is the limit. It's going to be the limit. Yeah. So first of all, here, please don't open longs here or don't buy here. It's just resistance. Of course, I am a financial advisor. Just wait for the pullback, same as before. Wait for the pullback, and after that, that's all. Just continue with the trend. The trend is your friend. Okay. So, but here, let me show you here in the monthly. Actually, I like it. Look at this, the volatility. I didn't see this altcoin for a long time. Volatility is impressive in monthly. When volatility is very low, I mean this indicator when it's blue, that means the market is consolidating, and after that we can expect an explosion. So you can see here for maybe 2 years, actually same as XRP was just contracting here, and suddenly a massive explosion. It's very good, actually, very good. Let me see the weekly chart. The weekly chart, yeah, is impressive. So the next pullback for XRP and XLM, they are actually a buy opportunities, okay? There is nothing bad here. Of course, it's not the same buying here, right? Because you will get wrecked. So that's why I insist, right? I insist, wait for the pullback, be a little bit patient. And after that, maybe you can go to weekly chart, or maybe 1 day chart is better, I think, in this case. So right now the target should be around 0.27, 0.80 cents. Actually, XLM has very clear support and resistance. As you can see here, this is support around 0.27 cents, 30 cents, and here is resistance, of course, the previous high of 2017-18 around 0.50 cents. So XRP and this one, actually, they are looking very good. Of course, you have to wait for pullbacks if you want to enter. Okay, now if you have any comments, please let me know. If you have any altcoins you want me to check, please just let me know in the comments, and I will be happy to help you. Okay, now let's continue with Bitcoin dominance. Actually, it's very interesting because now what happened with Bitcoin dominance? Remember what I said to you long time ago? I mean, I'm talking about months ago. I said this blue box is the major resistance. Remember, around 65%. I want to start looking for buying altcoins when I see this area tested, or maybe Bitcoin is sideways here, something like this. I want to see something like this. Why? Because The rule is very simple. When Bitcoin is bullish, like for example right now it's almost 100K, actually is bullish, right? And the Bitcoin dominance is dropping like this one, you will see a major alt season. I mean, seriously, a really major alt season. Right now, I have to be honest with you. We are in uptrend, in an uptrend here. So whatever you are watching right now is just a correction in Bitcoin dominance. That's why altcoins are pumping. But if you want to see the real bull market for altcoins, you want to see something like this. You want to see consolidation here, same, and after that a major correction all the way down to this area, 0.40. All this process is going to take around 6 months. So that is the moment when you will see Solana maybe super expensive, Ethereum, Litecoin, or whatever, all the altcoins I mean, like making new highs all time. So that's why we are almost there. In my case, not there, not yet. I think at some point in 2025, after we see a correction, is going to be a very nice opportunity. I think 2025 is going to be so far the best year to buy altcoins and Bitcoin because, well, I'm expecting a major correction, but it's a big opportunity in my case, for all of us, I think, because we will have opportunity to buy Solana, Ethereum, all of them in actually very cheap, very cheap. Okay. Okay, so now let's continue. Let's continue with the comments and see. Let me see. Can you look IOTA? Oh my God, IOTA! Wow, 2017. Okay. Okay, IOTA. I didn't remember this coin. I didn't see this coin for many years. Let me see. Okay, IOTA. Okay, let me see. Please, when you ask me about your altcoin, please specify the time frame. For example, weekly chart, monthly, 1-day chart, 4-hour chart, because I don't know your style. Maybe you are holding, you are trading. What do you want to do? Please let me know in the comments. Okay, now let's start. Okay. So with IOTA, okay, IOTA, we have a buy signal. We got a buy signal in September. Okay, obvious consolidation here, as you can see here. Obvious consolidation here. It's a consolidation, and volume is very healthy. Volume is impressive here. Actually, it's very good, very good. Man, what I can tell you, just go to 1-day chart here, right? Wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback, and as long as it's about 0.25 cents, the trend is your friend. There is nothing wrong with this thing, actually. Just wait for the pullback. Never buy. One of the rules I have in my own trading system is I never buy green candles. I never short red candles. I wait for pullbacks. In this case, for example, after this massive move, right? I want to wait for the pullback, right? No shorts, right? And just wait for continuation. Looking for, if everything is okay with this altcoin, let me see the monthly. The monthly, okay, we have a buy signal monthly here. Okay, right now it's testing ME55. It's a major resistance, but you have to wait maybe this month. Now, I think maybe a couple of weeks. If you see IOTA closing maybe at least this week about 0.40 cents, wait for this, and actually it's going to be interesting because then okay, so the next target should be around 0.90 cents. Actually, it's awesome, but you have to wait for confirmation. You have to see IOTA closing about 0.40 cents, and that actually is gonna be the area IOTA must defend. Okay. Okay. Now let me check. No long trade, lower time frames. Okay, lower time frames. So maybe you are looking for 4-hour chart. Okay, let's talk about 4-hour chart then. 4-hour chart, the trend is your friend. The trend is your friend. If you don't know my seasonal trading, I'm using the ME55 as a dynamic support. So always it's gonna be my target here. And around here should be the area to start looking for entries, and after that continuation. No shorts. No shorts, my friend. No shorts. We have a sell signal here, but the volume is very healthy. This is momentum. This is the volume, right? Volume is very healthy. So that's why if you see IOTA around 35 cents, for me is gonna be a long opportunity, long position opportunity. Of course, manage your risk. Okay. Okay, now let's see, Jaman Rich. Okay, I am minus 7,000 negative. I open what do you open? What, a long position or short position? I don't get it. Could you be more specific? What did you do? With, let's see, XRP. XRP, okay, okay. So XRP, I went long. Okay, I went long at 2.56, and now I am minus 7,000. I'm panicking. Can you? Okay, first of all, is you need to calm down. Okay, please, please. First of all, you have good news for you because, well, XRP is an uptrend. Okay, it's an uptrend. I am looking as long as about $2, $2, everything should be fine. So eventually, right, as long as $2 is respected, eventually XRP is gonna bounce again. So that's why the best thing I think you can do is first of all set your risk management, how much money you are willing to lose in this case, right? Right, because looks like you enter into the market without thinking like maybe you could get wrecked, right? Okay, so you liquidation. Oh my God. Okay. Oh my God. Man, is risk management is the most important thing to do here. I am a financial advisor. I cannot tell you exactly what to do, but I can tell you what I will do. What I will do. Okay, in my case. Okay, first of all here. First of all, imagine I am in long position right now at 2.656 around here. Yeah. So before I enter to the market, always I set a stop loss. Always. For example, in my case, always, it depends, right, on volatility, but in my case, around 3% maximum is the target. For example, in this case, in my case, I will just close my position maybe a few days ago. Now, the question is, yeah, my friend, yeah, I understand. I feel you. Seriously, I feel you. I was there a long time ago. Okay. The thing just looks like you didn't. What kind of strategy you follow to enter in that level? I mean, why? Tell me the motivation. Because I don't know what kind of system you are following. Maybe you're following news, fundamentals, or maybe you have your own trading system. Okay. You have to be careful about this because if you open a short, a long or short, whatever you do in the market, if you don't have a plan, exit plan, right, or taking profits plan, you are just gambling. Sorry, I don't want to bother you, maybe because I know you are very like emotional right now. But think about this. The market is the best teacher. So in this case, for example, in my case, if I open a long position of 2.56, is because I have a long position entry, right? And I set my stop loss. That's all. I set my stop loss because if I don't set my stop loss, I can just get wrecked and just lose 10K in just 1 hour, right? Especially when the market is very volatile like this one. So, yeah, man. So please, in that case, please stay here in this live stream because I think, well, you can learn my system of trading if you want. But one of the basic rules is never enter to the market if you don't know. You don't have a plan, okay? If you don't have the plan, don't enter. Seriously, because many people, they are just thinking, oh, how much money I'm gonna make, but they never think how much money I could lose, right? So that's why, in my case, every time when I enter to the market, always I think first how much money I am risking right now, and if the risk and reward is good, I enter. Okay. I will be honest with you, my friend. I think let me close my position right now. I'm gonna close my short right now because actually XRP is defending the area. Okay, I close my position right now. Good. I made 60% profit. Thank you. 60%. That's good. As you can see here, XRP is forming a basement. Okay, here. Yeah. You go to 4-hour chart, is looking like support here. Support, support, support. You see? So the trend is your friend. If you can hold it, if you can control your emotions, the fact is XRP is in uptrend, as you can see here. Uptrend, uptrend, right? So, technically speaking, the direction is like this. So there is a good chance to see you recovering potentially your loss. there is a good chance. Okay, I am not saying that it's going to happen, but based on the probabilities, is that possible? Yes, because the trend is your friend and the trend is to the upside. So that's why you can hold and wait. There is a good chance you could recover, but you need to get ready for the potential of the scenario, like actually you could get wrecked. Okay, so that's why that is something I will do in my case. I will just hold and wait for the bounce here because the trend is your friend and the trend is to the upside. That's all. That's all. Okay. Okay. Now let's continue. Let's continue with more comments. Okay. XRP, bro, you could get boy green, sell red. You're. Okay, no, my friend. Let me tell you something. I never buy green candles, and I never short red candles. Actually, that is a basic principle of trading. Is never buy the resistance and never sell the support. That is something actually always I do. Okay, liquidation. I think that should be just good. Wait. Yes, exactly. Remember, I am a financial advisor, but in my case, I will just wait for the bounce. Okay, wait for the bounce. Okay, because XRP is still healthy. It's still healthy. But as soon as you see your losses, actually, you recover your losses. Please, just close your position. Don't think like, yeah, it's gonna keep pumping, I will keep it. No, because remember the fact here is like XRP, we have a sell signal in one day chart. So maybe this is the first time you see my live stream. So this signal means XRP is gonna be, it could be in sideways, right, or downside. So the sideways like this, right, or downside, where the target usually is around the MA55. So in this case, 1.20 cents. Okay, so that's why you have to be careful. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Bebo, thank you for joining. Okay, when will XRP go up again? Okay, first of all, here remember, I need to remind you, my friend, we got a massive pump, 450% pump. So you want more, right? 480% pump. Man, it's actually. Seriously, are you seriously? Seriously, it's impressive, right? Impressive. It's only 1 month. XRP reached 480, and I need to remind you here, XRP is testing the previous high of 2018. It's obvious, like we will see a potential pullback, right? But I have to be careful with this. I am not saying it's gonna crash. Actually, it's looking bullish. It's looking good. But if you want to enter, please don't chase the market. Don't buy here because it's the highest point, the most expensive price of XRP in the last, 6 years, 5 years, 6 years, something like that. You have to wait for the pullback. Wait for the pullback, and after that, continuation, right? Respect the trend. In this case, in my case, what I will do is I will wait for the MA55 to be tested here in some point, maybe not now, and after that, continuation. No shorts. No shorts. Okay, no shorts. Okay, now let's continue. Let's continue. Remember, XRP, as long as XRP is about $2, everything should be fine. Okay, everything should be fine. Let's talk about Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is breaking 100K. Finally, after long time, many years ago, I have to be honest, I apologize with you. I failed with my prediction. I was expecting Bitcoin around $85,000 initially, right? But the extension right now is around between 100 and 115. So I know it's looking very good. It's looking actually very nice. But it's my responsibility to remind you, right? To remind you, like following technical analysis, right? We are in the last wave of this bull market, right? Wave number 2, 3, 4, and 5. If you're not familiar with early wave theory, so I can tell you this, it's only working, at least in my case, in higher time frames, like weekly chart and monthly, not 4-hour chart, not 1-hour chart, no. Just only higher time frames. So we are in the last wave of this extension, as you can see here, in this macro wave here. And after that, yeah, I don't want to be negative, right? Because I want to be positive, right? Because Bitcoin is actually testing, is right now at 100K. After this wave number 5, we always see wave number three waves of correction. Okay, so that's why be careful, because actually this is very good here. In 2025 is gonna be a major buy opportunity for all of us. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, Jaman, yes, you are correct. But I mean, I understand. I feel you, my friend, because I was there many years ago. I've been doing this like many years. Like I started like around 11 years now, 11 years ago. Yeah. And I did the same, exactly the same thing as you. Like I was just trying to, oh yeah, it's to the moon, let's buy all in, and suddenly I got wrecked. It's very normal. So that's why in my case, I build a system of trading where I don't follow fundamentals, I don't follow news, I don't follow anything else. I just follow the chart. And the chart is, I build my own trading system, and overall actually is working very good. For example, in 2021, right, when people were calling for 150K, I opened shorts, and well, I said, well, first target 30K, second target 20K, and the last one 14K. I felt the last one because Bitcoin reached 15K, not 14K. Sorry. Yeah. But as you can see here, so Bitcoin is actually bullish, and don't get me wrong, it's bullish. It's very bullish, looking very good, very healthy, right? But I have to remind you here, we are potentially in the last wave of this bull market. Okay, so now the good news here is like the volume is actually beautiful here. I really love it. So if you see a major pullback for Bitcoin, for example here, the trend is your friend. And the MA55, the white line you see here is the exponential moving average MA55 in weekly chart. So every time when Bitcoin is testing this moving average, is bouncing here. So the next test here is going to be a buy opportunity. No shorts. I am not shorting Bitcoin. I am not shorting anything. Yes, I short XRP because I told you before why. But actually, I closed my position a few minutes ago. Yeah, I closed my position. Very happy. I made, let me see here. Well, yeah, 56%. That's good, actually. That's very good. But no shorts. I will be honest with you. If I short the market, I will tell you. Same thing I did, same as I did in 2021. I said in my live stream, hey, I am opening shorts, swing shorts, a long time, maybe 1 year, something like that. What will happen after that, right? And here, when Bitcoin was at 20K and 17K, I said, hey, I will open longs because this thing is gonna explode to the upside. And you can see here, actually, I was correct. Okay, I am not perfect, my friend. Of course, I take losses, same as you. I am human. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now let's continue. Let's continue with the comments. Okay. Yeah. Someone asked me about Uni yesterday. So actually, Uni is one of my favorite coins. I'm gonna tell you something. In the last bull market, I bought some altcoins, but I forgot to close my positions with Uni. I forgot. So I let Uni in here, around here in 2022, no, here, around here in 2020. I bought here, and I forgot to close my position. Yeah, I closed my position here a long time ago in 2024, here, when I was 16, and I closed my position. In this time I didn't open, but as you can see here, Uni is in resistance, right? Of course, this is resistance, right? Technically speaking, same as many altcoins, they is the area to start taking profits. In the macro time frames, as you can see here, many altcoins, they are forming this basement, of huge basement, right? Something like this, right? Something like this. As long as Uni is about $6, or if you see Uni around $6, is the time to buy there. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Now, let's continue with more comments. Let me see. Oh, congratulations. 5K. Perfect. Very good, actually. It's awesome. Congratulations. Okay. Leo. Okay, let me check. LRC. I don't know. Let me see. LRC. USD. Okay. Let me see. $3. Okay. Why? I don't know. I don't follow fundamentals, my friend. So I don't have the data. I cannot support. I respectfully disagree with your idea. Like $3 from here. $3 from here. Okay. Okay. To the moon. Maybe. Who knows? But let me see. Weekly chart, we have a sell signal. Yes. Testing resistance. I don't think so, my friend. I think this is resistance. This thing is just gonna be, I mean, if you see breaking 30 cents, potentially we could see an extension to 55 cents, but the real resistance for this coin is around 55 cents. You want to see 55 cents broken to see potentially, yes, maybe 1.5, something like that, but $3 maybe I think is too much. Okay. So you can see here is testing resistance here, same as many altcoins. Okay, I have to be very clear because I got like 50 messages yesterday, private message. Please don't send me a private message. Just send a post send a message or a post in the Discord channel. You are free to join, please. You can join to the. I have some Patreon. You want to enter to my private channels. In my private channels, I am trading. Actually, I'm sharing my technical analysis, my positions. I am not financial advisor. I don't provide signals. I actually the idea of my channel is teaching, sharing my technical systems to traders that actually they want to become traders and they want to do this for long term. So it's not like, oh yeah, tell me where to buy or where to sell. No, I want you to do that. I want you to learn by yourself, like how to do that. Okay, so let me see here. Yeah, I got many messages, many, and all of them they were asking me things like, "Hey, should I buy right now Bitcoin? Should I sell Bitcoin? Should I blah blah blah?" I said, "Man, I cannot tell you why because I don't know your style. Maybe you want to trade and you want to be a scalper. I am a swing trader. In my case, I am a swing trader." Swing trader. So what I'm trying to say is, if I buy, I want to watch Netflix. I want to relax. I don't want to just watch the charts. Okay, Bitcoin $101,000. Awesome breakout. One day chart is as expected, as you can see here. So what I'm expecting to see right now is a better divergence here. Yeah, as I said before. And seriously, my friend, I know you are very bullish right now. I know the feeling. I got you. I feel you. But here is my job to tell you, right? This area potentially, right? Could be maybe here around the top, okay? It's potentially. So that's why I will be happy after I see the better divergence in one day chart. For first time, I will consider to open shorts for Bitcoin, right? So let's see. Okay. I disagree. It will be 1.5 in 2025, I guess. And well, my friend, respectfully, I disagree with you because I don't have a crystal ball. If you have a crystal ball, please share with us. All of us, we want to see because yeah, it will be awesome. I hope you are right. Honestly, I'm hoping you're right. Okay, let's talk about a Litecoin. Someone asked me about Litecoin. Okay, let's see. Icon, as I said before, there's a resistance here. There's a resistance. If you want to buy here, you have to wait for the pullback, right? Pullback, and after that, continuation. Okay, that's all. Yeah. Neo, same thing, a little bit above the resistance, yes, but this is still, I think, you have to see now it is Neo just holding here without breaking this one, and after that, continuation. Okay. My friend Jaman, yeah, you have to understand something. Bitcoin is the king of the market. Is the king. Yeah. I started doing this even before Bitcoin. I started my career as a trader around 2013, 14, around here, when Bitcoin was around here. And I have to tell you something. As long as Bitcoin has the dominance above around 60% of the altcoins, whatever is doing Bitcoin is going to affect by 3 or 4 times worse or better altcoins. Yeah. So in this case, if you see Bitcoin pumping, in general, the market is going to pump. If you see Bitcoin dropping, you will see altcoins dropping. Mostly all the altcoins, they are just following Bitcoin. Of course, there are some exceptions like meme coins, right? We have meme coins, they are just like Doge, for example, just Elon Musk is saying something and suddenly just pumping, right? XRP will reach 100. Oh man, I think you should be careful with that kind of statements because maybe you are in FOMO, my friend. It's not realistic. Okay, it's not realistic. I have to be honest with you. It's not realistic. Okay. XRP right now is healthy, is good. Weekly chart is good. If we use Fibonacci levels, for example, in monthly, yeah, and if we apply extension levels, I can tell you maybe potentially the targets. For example, here, bottom weight number 1, number 2 extension is 1.87 is the first target hit, and the second target should be around $3. You see. What I'm doing this is because algo trading. Yeah, because yeah, I was building algo. Well, I don't want to talk about too much about it, but I have plenty of experience building algo trading. So they use Fibonacci levels. Okay, but the only thing I can tell you right now is, as long as XRP is closing candles about $2, especially the monthly, if you see, for example, XRP closing this year, even better, the year closing about $2, yeah, it's gonna be a huge thing, because you will see not only $3, you will see maybe 4 or 5, whatever, because there is no resistance. There is no resistance, right? There is no resistance here. So that's why the sky will be the limit. Why so XRP holders? I don't know, man. I don't know, man. Since 2017, I remember many people were asking me about XRP. Honestly, I have to be honest with you. I was holding XRP long time ago. Long time ago. In 2006, 17, 18, around there, and I closed. I bought around 2.25 cents, and I closed my position around $1, and that's all. Since then, I didn't buy XRP. $3 is the maximum target. As I said before, you want to see $2 respected. If you see $2 respected, everything should be fine. But it's a process. Please don't rush. It's a process. Okay. Right now, my eyes right now are with Bitcoin, because Bitcoin finally is about 100K. Yeah, it's a big historical day, right? Historical day today. Today is, well, I don't know where are you right now, but in my case, I am in Japan. So in Japan is December 5th. So December 5th, 2024, Bitcoin hit 100K finally. Now, there is something I want to tell you. I know you are very happy right now. All of us were very happy, because I'm a huge fan of Bitcoin, but I have to tell you something. It's something actually it's very serious thing. And you need to understand something. Bitcoin, every time when it's pumping around 5 times less. You can do it. You can open your trading view, right? And you will see is pumping every time. Every bull market is 5 times less. So right now, Bitcoin between 85K around here should be, it is following the same thing as before. Around this area, it is the area like the last wave of this bull market. That's why I am very careful here. Okay, so now let's continue. Leo, it's crazy. Just swing trade XRP, don't go. Yeah, I'm crazy. XRP. I mean, like, yes, the chart is good, man, but I am not a fan of XRP. Yeah, but if I can make profits, it's fine. I can trade whatever you want, Dogecoin or Shiba Inu, whatever. I don't like them, yeah, but as long as I can make profits, it's totally fine. In my case, I don't care the direction, because I can short, I can go long, whatever. It doesn't matter. Okay, guys, I think almost 1 hour here. Please subscribe to my channel. If you want to support the channel, check my Discord, my Patreon. If you want to learn my system of trading, I am here almost every day here, well, at least 3 times per week online. Yeah, I started my channel almost 4 years ago. My God, wow. Thank you for all your support, guys. Thank you for all your support. Thank you. Okay, wait, Leo. Okay, so okay, tell me what's up. Tell me, you sure? Okay, tell me what's up. 2-month chart. Okay, you want to see the SP500. Okay, guys. Okay, now it's time for the SP500 and some stocks. Maybe someone is asking me right now on Discord if I can teach about my system of trading. Good question. You can go to my YouTube channel and you will find a trading course about my system of trading. It's around 3 hours, 2 hours, something like that. You can actually watch all of them if you want, right? And you will get it how actually my system of trading is working. And maybe in the next live stream, you will understand much better how actually is working when I talk about divergence or momentum, that kind of things, you will get it even better. So let's see, SP500. Okay, let's talk about the SP500. First of all, remember, don't short the market, the stock market. Don't short the market right now. No shorts, okay? Forget it. No Bitcoin, no shorts right now, okay? I will short the market, yes, but not today, not tomorrow, not maybe this month, okay? And maybe I will do it maybe in January, February, who knows? But not there. We are not there yet, okay? Look at this beautiful chart. The SP500 is making new all-time highs as expected, right? We have a better divergence here, yes, but even if we see a better divergence here, you see a drop is gonna be a pullback as a healthy buy opportunity. Yeah, that's all. Don't short the markets. Just a trend is your friend. Every pullback, as I said before, MA55 buy, MA55 buy. So wait for the pullback and repeat the same thing, right? Yeah. One day you will fail, one day you will lose, but you will just win many times before. Oh, okay. Sorry. Let me check. Okay, let me see this one. Okay. You want to see this one, the SP500 index. Okay, so let me see. It's the same thing, my friend. We have here better divergence in 1-day chart. We have better divergence in 1-day chart, but it's the same thing. We have a gap here around 5,800, but it's gonna be a buy opportunity. Yeah. In the monthly, let me see the monthly, long term. Oh my God. Okay, in some point, maybe next year we'll see a major pullback. Only pullback, right? Sell signal here. But as I said before, if you see the SP500 or stocks, right? Testing the ME55, the trend is your friend. This is like Shiba Inu, you see? The trend is your friend. Just buy and hold. That's all. Buy monthly. Okay, buy monthly here. Buy monthly. Okay. What we are, oh my God, this crazy, insane. This chart is impressive. It's like Shiba Inu here. Oh my God. We have a better divergence in the monthly forming, but it's gonna take time. Maybe by July next year, my friend. Yeah. It's the same thing. I think it's gonna, yeah. I think 2025, 2026 potentially, but the market is bullish, my friend. Just wait. Let me check XRP because my friends here about XRP, some of them they are so nervous. So let me see what we can do here. Okay, let me see. In 1 hour chart, let me see what we can do. As you can see here, it's bouncing. You see, it's bouncing here. The target is one. Look at this. You have a chance. My friend. Here. It's bouncing here, right? It's support here. The resistance is around exactly where you are. 2.60 is the resistance in 1 hour chart. So there is a very good chance to see you can maybe recover your losses. Okay. So if you see this move in 1 hour chart, I mean today, right? In 1 hour chart today, maybe in the following hours, please do me a favor and close my position. If you recover your position, please just follow and subscribe, right? That's all. No, you will not. I think it's gonna defend. Here. It's forming a basement here. So at least in short term, you can expect a pullback, a bounce here. You see a buy signal here. We have a buy signal here. So the target should be around 2.50, 2.60, around here. Okay, in short term today. Okay. So I don't know what time is where you are right now, but maybe you will not sleep. Maybe you will not sleep tonight because you have to close your position. Because if you go to the bed, maybe you can get wrecked because this is just 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, okay? 1 hour time frame. Remember. My friend, just join to the Discord. And Okay, just wait for the bounce, and close your position and be happy. And you can join to my Discord. Even better, you can support my channel, right, with Patreon, right? Okay. Okay, guys, I think finally that's all, okay? That's all. I think we are very happy. Finally, Bitcoin at 100K. 100K, I think we will see more. We will see more. I think we will see more. Beautiful, beautiful chart. I am very happy to be here watching Bitcoin at 100K. It's awesome. It's awesome. Okay, guys, I think see you tomorrow, okay? See you tomorrow. Let's see what's going on with Bitcoin. And well, I see you in the Discord, because in Discord I actually always there, okay?